How to add About Us page in Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very simple and easy, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify store and you have to go for this online store on the left side. And as you can see under the blog post, we have an option called pages. Click on it. And here I have to go for this add page on the top right, and in the title we have to enter about us. So after that, in the content, that is the main theme of this about us page, we have to type in whatever our story is, like we are selling best jackets. You can also type in the date, whatever it is. As you can see, we are selling best jacket since 2000. And I can also insert an image if I want to, like our best selling jackets. So as you can see, the search engine listing preview, this is how my customer will see this. So after that, if I move to this visibility, I can go for this hidden or visible, like whatever date we have created this about us page. After that, in the theme template, click on this and go for this contact and click on the save button, and you are good to go. So I hope this video will help you out. This is how to add an about us page on Shopify store.